So now let's see how we can work around with Magnetic Lasso tool inside a Photopea. So in order to work around with Magnetic Lasso tool, you need to go around onto the lasso select area right here and then go to Magnetic Lasso select right here, just like this. So once you go around onto Magnetic Lasso select, you can go around over here and click on a spot where you want to select where there is a difference in black and white. Like this brown chess piece right here. Then you can simply move your mouse and it sticks to the contrast area. You can click to secure a point right here, and similarly you can go around and slowly, let's say for example, click to secure a point and then work around with it right here. Let me just go around and then zoom in right here, just like this right here. You can go around, press backspace to go one space back as well. So similarly you can go around right here, click right here just like this, and then go around, and then this is what you have, as you can see right here. So you can go around and go around and go around right here. So just like this, you got the selection right here, just like this. So let's just go around. There's not much contrast on this area, so it is becoming quite difficult, as you can see right here. So let me just go around over here and then go for so select right here, just like this, go around right here, go around right here as well, go around right here, and then let's just go around, drag it out, and then go around with the selection right here, go around with the selection, and then select everything out right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here, then this is what you have right here. So if I were to double click, then this is the lasso select right here. So let's just go around, and this is how you make a magnetic selection. So you got the chess piece right here, right out, and this is what a magnetic lasso tool can actually do to make a more specific selection. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.